What's going on, everyone? Today's May 19, 2023. Let's get this thing started. We're going to talk about Pepecoin today to see if we're going to get another moonshot to the upside, because you guys can tell from my last video from May the 15th of when I did Pepecoin. You guys can, I really had this price prediction going all the way back on May 12th. So 3 days following this price prediction, I did an update. I didn't change my price prediction. I was telling you all on the 15th of May that price was still weak, and we're going to look for the price to come down to this trend line. Now, this would be the moment for us to come through and actually see Pepecoin skyrocket or moon. Why would I say that? Well, when you look at the chart in Pepecoin, the market has already garnered. Every time we come to this trend line, what happened? The market shot up, right? We're here today, right now, on this trend line, which was started on this exchange going all the way back on April the 28th. So we need to see buyers today, right now. So this area here in Pepecoin, okay, is being created as a support area. I want you all to understand that this is not by coincidence. This is planned. Everything that we see in the cryptocurrency space is planned. That is why the market in Pepecoin on May the 8th saw a low of 153 points right there. That is why on the 13th of May, Pepecoin saw a low of 155 points. And then you guys can see it here on the 17th of May, on the 18th of May, and now today. 155 points, 150 points is going to be crucial for the buyers. Plus, we're here on this trend line. So how do you think the market is going to trade? Do you think it's going to bounce from this level and go up? Because if so, then this chart is telling you that it's a buyer's market. If you think price is going to fall below 155, 150 points and trade below this ascending line, which is drawn on our chart, then the chart is telling you that the market is weak and that sellers are controlling the price. Let's see what's going on. That's a quick look in Pepecoin on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3-day. You guys can tell that we're not seeing any emphasis of strength on the charts. From this 3-day price bar to this one, the market in Pepecoin is not finding the buyers. We're not seeing the price trend up. We're seeing it trend down still. Here's Pepecoin the 5-day. Okay, so in the next day and 13 hours, pay attention to how this 5-day price bar ends. Because if it ends lower than the previous 5 days, then the market is telling you that it's still weak. Okay, because this 5-day price bar that the arrow is pointing down to is a probable precursor of strength, meaning that on this current 5-day price bar, we want to see the market close higher than the previous one. If that happens, then it definitely tells us that buyers are in the market. As of right now, we're not seeing that. We're not seeing it. So this increases the probability of us seeing Pepecoin break our trend line to the downside. This chart right now is showing us that Pepecoin could fall below 155 points, 150 points of support to the downside. I'm just simply showing you all the current environment in Pepecoin. Okay. So now let's look at this on an hourly chart real quick, because when you look at this on an hourly chart, for instance, when you see this weakness there on this 7-hour price bar, and then immediately the next 7 hours you get a move to the upside, that is bullish. Right here, this was bullish, right? But we didn't get the follow through. The market still trended down. The market is trying to find buyers. I'm telling you that straight, like 100. The market is trying to find them, but no one is willing to come in and purchase this cryptocurrency as of this recording. At the sound of my voice right now, this very minute, at this very second, they're not here. So why would you want to come through and actually be bullish in a cryptocurrency where you're not seeing the confirmation? That's the 5-hour. Here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 1. Okay. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. On these 330-minute price bars, you want to see follow through. And we're not seeing it. immediately the next price bar, it comes right back down. Okay. So now I think price in Pepecoin is going to break our trend line, right? But the next level outside of 150 points would be down here. Okay. So I'm looking at the market in Pepe coming down to this particular level there, which is around 140 points. I will let this particular price prediction that's on the chart now go at that level. That's only 12.25% loss right there in Pepe. So that's what I'm looking at. And if we don't hold 140, it's going to continue to go lower in price. So this market is telling me that I don't need to get rid of my price prediction just yet. The one that I created going all the way back to, let me hit this on the daily. Going all the way back here to the 12th of May. So I'm going to hold this price prediction still. I think we have a little bit of movement to the downside to contend with, but at any moment, this price can actually shoot up immediately because this is a meme coin in the cryptocurrency space. And everyone is looking at the same type of price chart. Everyone sees that we're here on this trend line too. I just don't see any follow through on all of the time frames that we've revealed so far. I just don't see it yet. Now, here though, right here, you can see how price is kind of smoothing out from this methodical movement to the downside, right? This is where we may see the market begin to break out because the market is just simply trading from left to right. So now I'm not going to be here looking at when this market actually breaks out or breaks down. So I'm trying to give you all the both scenarios and how to view this market. If you see this market and it's indecisive, like you cannot really determine which way price is going to go, then you shouldn't touch this stock, or not stock, this cryptocurrency. Then you need to wait until you get more confirmation off of the chart, which lends me to say that I cannot change my price prediction just yet because I don't see more indications of strength entering in yet. I just don't see it on the chart. So I'm not going to change my price prediction here in Pepecoin, but I'm here to tell you as well that that can happen in a moment's notice, which this recording will already be through. So I don't want you all to think that I don't understand and I don't see that we could relatively see the price in Pepecoin actually begin to go higher. But I don't see it now. Okay, just saying. So give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.